Hello students, good morning everybody. How are you my English Knights? I hope all you will be fit and fine at your home. Students, today I am going to teach you English grammar, the sentences. This is the first chapter from where the grammar started. Students, if you like this video, don't forget to share it and press bell icon so that you may get my latest videos. Okay? Let me tell you what are sentences. Start. This is an integral part of English grammar. The sentences. Okay? This is a boy. I am going to tell you some sentences. This is a boy. This is declarative. Don't play with sharpened items. Hooray! We have got the prize. Give me a one glass water. Where do you live? Students, we need some parts of speech to make a sentence. That is, in the first sentence there are four parts of speech. That is, this is a boy. I will provide you a separate video for parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Students, I will provide you a separate video for parts of speech. Okay? In this video, I would like to tell you the sentences. Types of sentences. Here are 4 types of sentences. As you are looking in this video: declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. It means 4 types of sentences. 4 types of sentences: declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Now, I would like to tell you the sentences with example. Here you are looking a boy. You are looking a boy here, and he says, I am going to play. I am going to play. It means declaration. It is an announcement. Declaration. Declaration. Now, he says he is given an order. Watch a cartoon film. Here in this another picture, you are seeing two students. Do you want? He asked a question. Do you want to play with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगे? In another picture, stop here. Listen to me. He is given an order or command. In this a question. Both these are very happy and say, hooray, we have won the race. Hooray, we have won the race. Oh, oof, I got a pain. Now students, so you understood sentences are of four types: declarative, makes a declaration, that is, I want to be a doctor, you should go for a walk. These are example. For example, imperative, imperative sentence, a command or makes a request. In imperative sentence, there is a command or makes a request. Go there, please give me your book. Do your work, do your work. These are imperative. Imperative means agya vach. Declarative means announcement, सूचना. Interrogative, interrogative means प्रश्न, प्रश्नसूचक, in which a question is asked. A question, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? When did you come? अरे आप कब आए? तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? When did you come? What is your name? When did you born? This is the symbol of an interrogation. So this is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the subject asks a question. Okay, go forward. Now let me tell you what are exclamatory. Exclamatory, this is the main symbol of exclamatory. Expresses great emotion such as excitement, surprise, happiness. It is too dangerous to climb that mountain. बहुत कठिन है उस पर्वत पे जाना. Too dangerous to climb. I got an A on my book report. Wow, what a beautiful scene is this. Hurrah, we have recovered. So you are looking a same thing, a common thing in these sentences. It means this symbol, the symbol of this like. This is exclamatory mark. Now I am going to present you some sentences of different type. I am to go to the market. Which kind of sentence is this? This is declarative. Tanu runs 2 miles a day. 2 miles. This is also declarative. My brother likes to play football. Could you tell me, Anant, Daisy, Divya, tell me Which kind of sentence is this? Raghav, Riyansh, Shayan, tell me which kind of sentence is this? This is declarative. Don't go there. Yeah, tell me which kind of sentence is this? Don't go there. Imperative. You are not reading. You are not reading. This is declarative. Negative. Because not is coming. Not is also coming. Go and wash your hands. Go. Go. Tell me, students. Kavya, Kaira, Naira, Kriti, Anubhav, tell me which kind of sentence is this? This is imperative. Get out, get lost. This is also imperative. Put on clean clothes. Tell me, Krati, Bulbul, Gauri, Khushi, Akarsh, Dhruv. Imperative. Oh no, I got a strain. This is exclamatory. And which kind of sentence is this? Yeah, recognize by this symbol. Okay, recognize this. Yeah, Tanu, Himanshu, Naina, Neha, Sneha, Kajal, Dipanshu. Yes, very good. Your answer is right. This is exclamatory. So students, I hope you will understand the sentences. Okay, now you will be find the kind of sentence easily. Okay students, thank you for watching.